Yesterday, I was talking with a boy, and now I am going to share a real story with you. I hope if you watch this video until the end, it will motivate you. The story is really motivational. So let's get started. Suddenly, I saw a message on my WhatsApp and I just reply. And he messaged that, "Hey, brother, I want to talk with you. I have some question." So I said, okay. He then asked me, may I start a call? I said, okay, you can, no problem. Then we started a call and we started discussing. So step by step, he was asking many questions. And he's from Bangladesh, and actually he's a Hafiz Quran and he's learning spoken English. Currently, he is studying Alim first year. It means inter first year. So he's trying to create videos. He's interested to create videos because he believes that if he create video, then it will be helpful for him. So he's asking many questions, and beside this, he was asking how I edit videos, what is the application I use, what are the way, and I have mentioned some apps name, and I have mentioned that I don't edit very much. I just add subtitle, reduce noise, and I upload it on social media. I don't edit at all. I don't edit much. Okay, and then he started telling that, hey brother, I'm Hafiz the Quran and I'm learning spoken English, and there are some problem in my family. They don't want me to practice spoken English. My family members said to me that you are a Hafiz the Quran, why you should learn spoken English. Okay, but he is still struggling. I said that no problem, even if you are a Hafiz the Quran, you may learn spoken English. It's a language. There is no problem learning a language. Nowadays, many Hafiz the Quran, even Alim, they know spoken English. If you know English, then you will be able to understand the world. You will be learn something better from others. You will be able to communicate with people across the world. So this is the benefit. So finally, it was a long conversation, but I am making it short. So he asking me many questions that, hey brother, I am studying, but sometimes I am not studying well, but I am very serious at learning spoken English. Okay, I suggest him very clearly, and my suggestion is very professional. I mean, not professional, okay, but my suggestion was very clear for him. When he is a student of inter first year or Alim first year, I suggest him, okay, you want to learn spoken English, and let me mention one more thing. He is almost intermediate level English speaker. He is not beginner. He improved a lot. Okay, because and he worked a lot. He started learning spoken English for many times back. Okay, so what the suggestion I provided, I suggest that you have to remember that you have to study. You have to study first. Your academic study is first priority. You have to study 80 to 95% your academic study. Then you have to you have to do other activities such as creating videos, practicing spoken English. But if you fail to do that, then that will be very bad thing for you, because academic study is very important. He said that, okay brother, I will try to do that, inshallah. And beside this, he mentioned that he also interested to work online, like doing freelancing. He asked me that, is it right to be a freelancer, or is it right to be a content creator? So this is really tough question, and at his age I was also facing these types of question. By the way, recently I am studying as well as I have started content creation. So what was my answer of the question that what should I choose, freelancing or content creation? So from my perspective, I answered very clearly that it depends on you. If you like freelancing, then you may go for freelancing. If you like content creation, you may go for content creation. So, and I also mentioned that first of all you have to understand that what is freelancing and what is content creation, and you have to know it. Am I enjoy? Is it good for me freelancing? Will I enjoy freelancing or not? Or will I enjoy content creation or not? You have to know first what is freelancing and what is content creation. So then you have to take your decision by your own. But I can say only what, if you take content creation, you may do these types of activities, you may face these types of problem, that types of benefit, you may get these types of benefit. If you choose freelancing, you may face several problems in your life, or you may be benefited many ways when you are doing you are working as a freelancer. So this was my suggestion, and this is a short story. Finally I was very motivated, and I was very glad to talk with the little boy, and he asked me also many questions. Finally he said that anyhow I will continue my journey, although there are some barriers from my family. They don't want me to learn spoken English, but I am learning it. I am trying to continuously learning spoken English. So what is the motivation for you? You are still watching this video. The motivation for you is there is no barrier for you to learn spoken English. I believe that in your family there is no problem. If you learn spoken English, your family will not talk anything. Your family member will not take this negatively. So you have the opportunity to learn spoken English very easily and without any barrier. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped.